Done! And runs out of the place.
Goodbye!
Evil.
Oh, that's
Actually-
the last time you're going to be doing this?
Throws one more snowball for good luck.
Okay.
So, Sans,
Yeah?
I don't really know a lot about the underground. What is there? Can you teach me?
Well, this area at least I could teach you about is Snowdin. As you can tell by all the snow.
Right.
But around here, we got a little shop right here. We got the Snowdin. We also got Grillby's, my house, the library. Yeah, you heard it right.
Say,
Library. They spelled
Grillby?
the sign wrong.
You say Grillby's? What's that?
Grillby's? Oh, probably the best food area I can go to at least. It's got some good greasy food, burgers, fries, ketchup, you name it.
Interesting. Okay. Let's go to Grillby's. I'm a bit hungry anyway.
Alright, sure. Let's go ahead, bro.
You don't have anything bad about Grillby's, do you?
Nope. Probably nothing. Anyways,
Alright,
let's go, bro.
let's go.
Pretty sure me and Grubs are good friends.
You and Grubbs are good friends, huh?
Yep.
If you say so.
After you.
Alright.
Hey there, Grubs.
Hello.
In all my times of being up on the surface, I've never seen a bartender whose head is on fire.
Pretty hot guy, I know.
Anywho, hi, sir. I would like. Well, actually, before I even order, because I don't know, this is my first time being here. What's on your menu?
Burgers. But I think we're fresh out of burgers because they fell through the floor.
What?
How do you have? How do you have burgers that fall through the floor, man?
Magic.
I mean, he's not wrong.
Sounds you want your usual.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Thanks, Grubs.
70G, please.
Put
70,
it on my tab.
Alrighty.
70 G's for ketchup?
Yeah, ketchup's hard to get in the underground.
I mean,
Oh.
he's not wrong.
Okay.
Tomatoes aren't really easy to get these days.
While you're here, try to convince that guy right there to pay his tab. That'd help me out a
Yeah.
lot.
I'll pay it someday, bro.
What do you mean? You told me there was nothing bad between you and Grillby.
What? Nah, there's nothing bad. We're good bros, right, Grubs?
Sure.
See?
That doesn't sound like a resounding sure. It's just
rude.
what's his
That's a
tab?
normal voice.
What's his tab?
Oh. I think it's at like 21 million G.
It's not that much.
It's not that much.
Yeah.
You know, you helped me ever since I left from Toriel's place. And you mean to tell me that this guy is charging you 21 million in tab? How did that build up?
Well, the food's pretty expensive here. And I usually eat here, so... Plus he charges me about 7,000 per pawn.
What? 7,000 per? Are you out of your mind? What business are you running here?
I own a bar, of course.
Well, as a man of, you know,
I just do the do.
you did the what?
I almost crashed. That's what.
All right. So, so 21 million.
Yeah.
You just gave him some ketchup. 21 million in owed tabs.
Well, that's for his ketchup tab.
All that from ketchup?
Yep.
Okay, fine.
Not drinking that much.
Can I have a water?
We don't sell that.
I think that's alcohol.
That's not water.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, we got some hot cocoa, some juice, and some wine.
And you
Like
don't
sold
sell
beer at the bar.
and you don't sell water.
Here's in that cup.
Oh,
No, I don't touch that.
to be fair, he made a fire.
That stuff over there is made of liquids. Still cautious to this guy. Keep that in mind.
Wine's not cautious. Wine makes it more flammable. I just realized, Grillby, you could like burn this whole place up by accident if you accidentally touch the alcohol.
No. It's made out of magic, so I don't combust it. Anyways,
Oh
what
yeah.
can I get you today?
Well, you don't have burgers, nor do you have water. What other option is there?
Alcohol, juice, and wine.
Do I look like the kind of guy that needs alcohol right now?
Sure.
I mean,
Everyone needs alcohol.
You're out of your mind.
Understand. Pay your tab.
yeah. I'll play it sometime.
But why can't you pay it right now?
Does it look like I have that kind of money, kiddo?
Yeah, good point. So Grillby, here's what we're gonna do. Okay? You're gonna learn to serve water, okay?
Nah, I'll pass.
Wait, isn't there magic water?
There was. Oh, look at here. We got a burger.
That was on the floor.
You're gonna give me a burger that's on the floor. You know what? I'll be right back. Give me a sec.
Is this on the house or?
Yeah, it's on the house this time.
Hey, Grillby.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This... it's our burgers. Oh my.
Sir, are you alright?
I think he's
Look here, motherfucker! Alright? What kind of a fucking diner is gonna give me a burger off the goddamn floor? And you want me to eat that? You want me to eat that?
I did that with my hands.
burger.
I'll be.
You need to sit down.
Yeah. You know what? Okay.
Alright, I got 2 more burgers.
Where'd you get those from?
How many burgers you have down there?
Hey, they're my burgers. I make them out of air.
It's not
Here's another burger.
scientifically possible.
Magic.
Not even scientifically magically speaking.
Here's another.
You got burger magic. Just make burgers out of your hands.
You know what? I'll
Come on,
be right back. 1 second.
already.
Grillby, lower the tab! Lower the tab!
No,
What?
you pay for it.
I pay for it! You want me to You want me to pay for it? Grillby, are you out of your mind?
Sure.
Oh, you threw a burger at me. Oh, you got green
Ah!
jacket.
Grillby,
No longer 6 to 1.
Grillby, you're gonna lower that fucking tab!
Here's your Here's your water, sir.
It's water. Grillby, I thought you said you never served water.
Oh, you lied as well, so you probably lied about the fucking tap too.
Grillby? Grillby? Grills?
Oh,
Grills, you alright, bro?
no.
I can tell. You look pretty. I think Kuri's a little bit heated up.
7,000. It's your tab.
7,000, huh?
I didn't even do anything. Oh wait, I just made a pun. That's
You made
why.
a pun.
That makes sense.
So, did you add that or did you take away?
Oh, I added that.
Look here, Grillby. Lower the tab.
Alright,
Lower it.
listen, I just called the guards. They're going to be on their way here soon.
They're gonna the guards, huh? Do you know anyone that's
Come on,
even a part of the guards?
Yes, half the
Oh,
canine
Kuri, I'll
unit
distract him
is-
for a second.
Who's here?
All right, cool. Thank you.
I made a bones. I can make bones. Be right back.
All right,
Plus the dogs are guards, so it's gonna be pretty easy.
look here. Lower the tab, Grillby. Lower it. Oh,
Why
you're
should
good.
I?
Don't stand there
Those are
proudly.
guards.
What do you mean? What, the guards? What about them?
They're all dogs. Just threw a bone.
What
Pretty
about your
easy stuff,
brother?
Eh,
Oh,
twice.
alright.
He's at home.
I'll lower it. I'll lower it, okay? Is that what you want? I'll lower it.
Lower. How much you gonna lower it to, Grillby? How much?
You lower it 1 gold at a time. Until you're bored. No.
Oh,
Oh.
he fucking dodged it.
Oh.
I thought of the dog.
Did you throw a snowball out of sense?
Why? I wanted to join the fun.
1 million added onto your tab. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 Okay.
Oh, so good.
Please, no more. Oh.
Well, that's the most fun
more.
thing. Someone's a Grillby.
Oh.
Nice abuse, actually, but
Look here, Grillby.
female.
Look here. You gonna lower the tab this time?
No. Oh. Oh.
Hey, Kuri, take these snowballs I have.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Oh.
Lower the tab, or this will continue, Grillby.
Oh god, his glasses changed.
Holy shit.
Yes. It's not going down.
But you know what's made worse for you? You are exposing more fire. She's more snowballs can damage you.
Face the chicken power.
Chicken. Where's the water at?
Oh.
Did you honestly think that was gonna work? Just because you added a lot more fire don't mean shit.
Just you wait.
Wait till what? You gonna? Are you gonna change it, or do I have to keep throwing more snowball? How long you gonna take this, Grillby? How long?
I'll never lower.
What the hell? All right, fine then, Grillby. Fine then, Grillby. You're not gonna lower it, huh? You're not gonna lower it, right, Grillby? Is that what I heard, Grillby?
Give me that ketchup.
No, why ketchup? No.
Uh-oh. Ah!
No.
Watch out, Sans! He's trying to beat you with a ketchup bottle!
Ah!
Hang on, I got this. I got.
Whoa.
How long are you gonna take this, Grillby? Your focus is on me, not Sans. Lower the tab.
Alright. Okay. Please.
Lower the tab, Grillby. Lower the tab.
Never.
What the? Well, frick? Where'd he go?
I don't know where he went.
He just Oh, he's behind us.
Okay. Grillby.
Whoa.
Take your ketchup.
Let's see. One of these drinks has got to do something to Grillby here.
No. Don't do that.
Do the juice, don't do the alcohol. Wait, no, the juice! Let's do it! Wait, juice! This'll work. Really?
Time to leave.
Look here. Grillby, change it.
No.
You are so resilient these days. Whoa.
Not really. Oh.
Ah!
Come here, Grillby. Huh? How long you gonna take this?
I'm just gonna
Where was that
go on my
scream?
exit.
He ran. He actually ran.
You went through the door! You went through the door!
God! Ow! Ow! Oh!
Just get physical. Is that what you want? Oh.
We gotta get more snowballs, hold on.
Yeah, go get some. I actually gotta
Alright,
wipe.
fine. I'll lower it.
Oh my
god, I got so much
I
fucking
got a
tears in
snowball
my
cannon
eyes.
right now, Joe, you better lower it well.
Okay, no snowball cannon. I'll lower
Yes,
it.
snowball cannon.
I'll lower it on one condition.
What's the condition?
You tell your brother that his cooking sucks, and that I don't want his spaghetti in my jar.
Never! Never!
What did you do?
Get out of here.
It's on the floor! It's on the floor!
I got it.
The snowball cannon is very effective.
Okay.
Hey, you wanna have a
Okay.
go at it? Here, snowball cannon. Have a
Oh
go.
yeah, sure.
He's over here.
Grillby, if you lower the price, okay, I won't have to throw any more snowballs at you.
Okay, I'll lower it.
Oh my god, I have too many tears in my eyes. Too many.
Alright, Sans, what would you like me to lower it to?
3,000 for all the tabs.
3,000?
Yep, 3,000 for all the tabs.
For the ketchup tab, okay, 3,000.
No, that's the ketchup tab.
Yes, just the ketchup tab.
No.
Fine. Alright, fine. I'll make for all three tabs you have your food, the ketchup, and your pun tab. Okay.
Pun tab?
All of them are 3,000.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
there's a lot in
all
that one.
3,000.
So that's 9,000 in total.
Please just stop. I'm gonna die.
Alright, as long as you agree to lower the tab, I won't throw any more snowballs.
I mean, you didn't say we can't shoot snowballs at him, though.
Hey, no. No more.
No, listen, we have to abide, otherwise this will never work. Fine. As long as you agree to not up the tab anymore.
I mean, I sort of have to do that. Please, don't throw. I'm on like 2 HP. Don't do it.
Alright, fine. I'm not. Alright. But let's go ahead and heal you back up, okay? I'm a nice guy. Let me see. One of the
Myself.
Okay, alright, heal yourself.
We take some alcohol. That should help.
Yes, alcohol is the only thing that's could help.
Now,
What are you doing?
as long as you agree, okay, if I gotta come back to this bar again, if I hear about Sans' outrageous tab going up, I will be back. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Terminator style.
are all the tabs 3,000?
Yes, all 3 tabs that he has here.
Okay. Then I'm out. Besides, I gotta find out more about this underground anyway. Okay?
Sans,
Yep.
by the way, you still have to pay your tab.
Oh yeah. I think I have 3,000 at home. I'll have to go
Uh,
grab it.
Here. I'll pay all of it at once. Luckily, I was able to grind out enough before I left Toriel's place.
How much gold did you take from the ruins?
A lot, really.
The ruins.
I didn't kill anyone, neither.
Yeah,
I didn't kill anyone. No. Everyone's still alive. Tori's still doing her thing. And I'm just
Good.
here. I'm just here chilling.
Wait, what?
Anywho, here's the 3,000,
Okay.
and here's 3,000 for the pun tab,
Oh,
and then here's 3,000 for the other tab.
thank you. Sans,
Oh,
still have to pay your
yep.
annoyance tab.
What tab? Wait, what? That's a thing?
You're just adding on things, aren't you?
No, I'm gonna die.
You're just adding on things. Stop
No,
it.
Please.
How much is the annoyance tab?
You don't want to know.
I think I want to know, Grillby. I think I want to know.
It's incomprehensible.
What's our
to
RPG?
you.
You better tell me, Grillby.
Oh.
It's no PG here.
Careful.
Yeah, Snow
Oh,
PG.
this takes a few hits and this place is going boom, boom.
Well, you're gonna go boom with it.
No.
We, on the other hand, will be fine.
So are you.
But you,
No.
tell us how much.
21 billion.
Oh. I'm wheezing. Grillby! Grillby!
Oh my god.
Grillby! Oh shoot. Kuri? Oh, he's dead. We gotta get out of here, bro. We gotta get out.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go, let's get out. Yep.
Come on to my house, come on.
Oh god, I can't believe it. He's dead. I didn't expect that.
We just killed someone.
Look, it's okay. Oh jeez, hang
Oh
on.
my god.
Hang on. Oh god.